Backing an embroidery hoop with a running stitch is pretty much the most basic way to back a hoop, and all you need is a piece of thread. So here I have my thread that's long enough to wrap around the circumference of my hoop, and I have a knot at the end of my thread as well. I'm going to go ahead and come down through my fabric at the top of my hoop, and then come up right next to it and go ahead and pull my needle and my thread all the way through so that the knot gets snagged on top, holding it in place. So once that's secure, I am simply going to take my needle down through the fabric and then up through the fabric, down, up, and I'm going to go ahead and pull my needle and thread all the way through. So this is super easy and super basic, and this is the running stitch. So all it is coming up and down through your fabric all the way around the circumference of your hoop. And so once you get that done, we'll go ahead and pull the ends and it will tighten it, and this will finish off your hoop. So now that I'm at the end, I'm going to come up through the fabric right next to the knot I initially created, pull through, and get rid of my needle. Now I'm going to take the threads and put them in opposite hands so that my thread is kind of crisscrossed against each other. Then I'm going to pull both ever so tightly because this will finish our hoop and we want it to be nice, tight, and secure. So give it a good pull and then go ahead and double knot it to secure it in place. And when you double knot it as well, be sure to give it a nice, tight, snug pull again. Now once that's nice, tight, and secure, you can go ahead and cut off those thread strands and you are done. So this is the running stitch in its most basic form. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, would you go ahead and hit that like button? And as always, my friends, until next time, happy stitching!